Hello everybody, welcome to astraeakeva. I'm Ao. This is day number 225 of my 365 days of art. In today's artwork, I decided to do draw this in your style, a challenge by David, and they are a great semi-realistic artists on Instagram. So they reached 50,000. Well, it's now 60,000 followers on Instagram, and I just really liked the challenge to draw the original character named Keith in my own style. I had a lot of fun. Also, sort of like a study, because I studied from some of the artists that I'm looking up to, so I had a lot of fun with the entire drawing process. But yeah, that is all. I don't really have much to say about the artwork, but I really did have fun, and I hope you all enjoy this painting process. And if you do, please feel free to subscribe, like, share and comment, and I will see you guys in the next one. Have a fantastic day everybody. Bye bye.